if you're looking for really special foliage plants. And so many to choose from. Begonia is great. This particular one here has got these silver blotches straight on the top of these lovely arrowhead leaves. It's an absolute treat. They really bring something to a windowsill, and you can collect them. They're so easy to propagate, taking a leaf and cutting it and putting it on top of compost. I weight them down so the veins actually touch the compost, and then little baby plants grow. They're so easy. And Begonia Rex, another set of varieties with so many different coloured leaves, they put a smile on your face. They're quite easy to keep. They wilt quick if they need water, and it's best not to overwater, so little and often, and they will reward you. When you've got that right, they will just keep giving and giving. For more information on begonias and many other beautiful indoor plants, just check out my new book. My houseplant changed my life, and it looks at the positive mental and physical well-being that houseplants can give you with a little bit of indoor gardening. It's published by DK Books, and for more information, just visit my website, daviddomoney.com.